Hello children, very good morning. Welcome to maths class. How are you all? All are fit and fine? Okay. So what we learned in the previous class children? Full, half, empty. Left and right, open and close we learned. Is it? Yes. So today's class we learn a new chapters. Okay. So open your numeracy skill book, take out your pencil and page number 8. Page number 8 open. Up and down. So up and down. So this is the pencil is up, the eraser is a down. Okay. So today's class we learn up and down. So can you see in your textbook the boy is climbing up. Is it? The boy is climbing up. And second picture, the boy is coming down. Is it? The boy is coming down. So this is up. Going up means going up. See, can you see here? Arrow mark up and down. So today's class also we'll learn it. See, here is the activities children. Coloring the activity it is there. Okay, color the bird that flying up in the sky. Color the bird that is flying up in the sky. So which here two pictures are there. Is it? The first picture is a bird is flying in the sky. Is it? And second picture is the bird is eating food. It is a down, up. No, the bird is down. Second picture. So tell me which picture is a flying up in the sky, which bird is a flying up in the sky. First picture or second picture? Very good. First picture. So you had to color this bird. Okay. You had to color it. So this is a homework. Okay. Coloring. So children, you know the up. Okay. Up means like this. And for example, I will show you. The both things are down here. And I will take up pencil. The pencil is up and eraser is down. So this is a difference of up and down. Okay. So now next is page number 9. Light and heavy. Light and heavy. Okay. For example, this book is a heavy and this pencil is a light. Okay. The book is heavy, no? Because it is have more pages. So this book is very heavy. And pencil is a light. The pencil is a light. See, here also children, for example, it is there. Can you see your pictures? Yes. Light and heavy. So this bus is a heavy and this bicycle is a light. Is it? Yes. And next picture. Elephant is a what? Heavy. Animal, no? Yes. And rat animal is light. So next picture is a crocodile. So crocodile is a heavy or light? Heavy. Is it? Yes. Then fish. Fish is a heavy or light? Light. Very good. Now tell me next pictures. See here two pictures are there. The flower. The flower is the heavy or light? Very good. Light. Okay. Now this picture is a heavy or light? Heavy. Okay. Like this is also fish. Okay children. So now here we will do the activities. Here they had given the activities children. Circle the light things in each set. So here the two sets are they had given two pictures. The first side 2 pictures, second side set 2 pictures. And here also 2 pictures and here also 2 pictures. Is it? So you have to circle correct pictures. Okay. Here they had given the first one, light thing. So we had to circle the light thing picture. Now tell me, in these two picture, which picture is a light? You have to say the names, okay? Which picture is a light? Bus or bicycle? Very good, bicycle. So circle the bicycle. Circle nicely. Okay, very good. Next picture, elephant and rat. Now which one is a thin light thing, light in these two animals? Yes, rat is a light thing. So circle the rat picture. Okay, very good. Now next picture, circle the heavy thing. So you have to circle the heavy thing in each set. So here children, you have to circle heavy thing pictures, you have to circle it. Okay. In these two pictures, which one is a heavy? Crocodile or fish? Very good. Crocodile is a heavy thing. So circle the crocodile picture. Okay. Very good. So now next picture, tell me, which one is a heavy thing? Flower or fish? Very good. Fish. So circle the fish thing. Okay, very good children. So now turn the page. These are the heavy and light of difference. So now turn the page. Here is the more and less. More and less. Is it? Okay. So I will show you for example here. See. Here are the more books. 1, 2, 3, 4 books are there. Is it? And this is a one book. Okay. This is a more book and this is a less book. So help of these, for example, you have to tick here. Okay children. Okay. So let's see. More and less. Tick the box which more things. So here they had given the pictures. More books, less books. More balloons, less balloon. Less toys, more toys. Is it? Okay. So which one you have to tick here? More things. See here they had given the more things, you have to tick. Okay. Now see. This picture is a more or less in these two pictures, books. First one is a what? More books. And second picture is a less. So which one is the correct? First one. Is it? So tick the first picture. More books you have to tick. Okay, next. Balloons. Two balloons are there here. Two pictures of balloons. So one first picture more balloons are there and second picture only one balloon. So which one is the more thing? First one or second one? First one. So tick here first one. Okay, very good. Now next. Here see two pictures are there. Toys box. So here children, first picture less toys are there. And second picture more toys are there. Is it? Yes. So which one is the correct one? More pictures. First one or second one? Second one. So tick second picture. Okay? Okay, good. Okay, next. Same and different. Same and different. Here children see. Here ice cream are that given. Is it? See here in first picture two same ice cream are there. Is it? Do you love ice cream? No? Yes. Now your father and mother gave you same ice cream. Okay. Sometimes gave a same ice cream and some that had given different ice cream. One they had given the cup ice cream. One they had given the cone ice cream. Okay. So these are these two are different. Cup and cone is a different. So cup and cup they had gave means that is a same ice cream. Okay. So here also children are some activities are there. Okay. See here down. First line, second line, third line. Is it? So children, help of these two pictures, you have to circle it. You know the pictures. Okay. You have to see and you have to which one is the correct. You have to circle. Okay. Which one is a different? No. That picture you have to circle it. Okay. See here. Circle the things that is a different in each row. See, these are the row. First row, second row and third row. And first all rows, 3 rows they had given. So one row they had given the different. Okay, different pictures they had given. So that picture you have to circle it. Okay. See first picture. Here is a red flowers. See, red flowers are there and only one flower is a yellow. Is it? So can you tell me what is the different? The flowers are same, colors are different. Is it? Yes. So which one is the different? Yellow color. It is yellow color is a different. So circle the yellow color picture. Okay. Okay. Now tell me second row. What are the difference are there? Tell me. Okay, very good. The 3 apples are same. Red color apples are there. And one apple is green. Is it? So what is the difference means? The apples are 3 apples are same. One apple is a green. So all are apples, but color it is a change. So you have to circle the green color apple. Okay, very good children. Next third row. What are the different? These are the trees. Is it? Yes, trees. So what are the different in the trees? These are the same trees. Three trees are same. Is it? And these trees is a different. Now which tree it is children? Very good. Coconut tree. It is coconut tree. So circle the coconut tree. So this is a different. Is it? Okay. So like this only you have to do homework in the numeracy workbook. In the workbook giving the homework. Okay. So open numeracy skill book workbook. Page number here 5. Page number 5. Up and down. Here write up and down homework. Up and down. See here what they had given. Tick. The child sliding down. Which one is a down? See this girl is climbing and this boy is sliding. So you have to tick correct this. So sliding down this you have to tick. Okay. Next tick. The child standing up on the seesaw. So in these two picture, one boy is down and one boy is up. So which one is correct? You have to tick. Sitting up. Okay, sitting up. The child is sitting up. That you have to tick it. Okay, next light and heavy. Light and heavy. Page number 6. Here also homework. Okay. Circle the heavy thing. So you have to circle the heavy thing. Animal. Heavy animal you have to circle. So in the textbook, in the skill book also I thought you know. So that help you stick in this book and you have to circle it. Next circle the heavy fruit. So heavy fruit you have to circle here. Watermelon and mango they had given. Which one is heavy you have to circle. Next picture, circle the light vehicle. So you have to circle the light vehicle, car and bicycle, cycle. So which one is the light, that you have to circle. Okay. Next, more and less. More and less. Tick the picture with less thing in each set. So here 3 sets are given. So in this you have to tick the less thing. You have to circle the, otherwise you have to tick the less things. Okay, see, here more trees, here less trees. Here more books, here less books. Here less fruits, and here more fruits. Is it? So you have to tick the less thing. Okay, so this is a homework. Okay children, so this is a homework yours. So what I had given homework, you had to do, and you have to send me to my WhatsApp number. Okay? Okay. Thank you. Have a good day.